Excellency, the Minister of Mines, Oil and Energy, distinguished guests, all protocol observed. Allow me again this morning to extend the traditional Akwaba. Beyond the simple word, Akwaba is truly the expression of the Ivorian hospitality and the warmth of this population. So again, welcome to this 19th session of the West African Power Pool General Assembly, proudly hosted in the beautiful capital city of Côte d'Ivoire in Abidjan. CI Energies, as the lead host, along with CIE and Transociology, are pleased to welcome delegates from the ECOWAS countries, technical and financial partners, as well as stakeholders from around the world. Guided under the theme today, advancing the ECOWAS regional electricity market, overcoming barriers and building a resilient and competitive power market. We will begin this assembly with the remarks of the dignitaries we are honored to have with us today.
Thank you, Miss Assi. Et pour ouvrir la série des allocutions, mesdames et messieurs, je vous prie de recevoir M. Maurice Sidibé, il est le directeur général de Côte d'Ivoire Énergie, que nous accueillons très chaleureusement, s'il vous plaît.